To gain subscribers on YouTube, create a channel by signing up for a YouTube account, choosing a name that reflects your niche, and creating a compelling profile image and banner. Defining your niche is important to create content that appeals to a specific audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and that has a demand for content. Planning your content is essential to keep your viewers engaged and interested. Create a content calendar and decide on the type of content you want to create, how often you will post, and what message you want to convey. Optimizing your videos is important to increase visibility and rank higher in search results. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to make your content easily discoverable. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community around your channel. This will help you establish a loyal fan base and encourage viewers to share your content with their own followers. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience and gain new subscribers. Collaborations can be a great way to expand your reach and introduce your channel to new viewers. Promote your channel by sharing your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also promote your channel through email marketing, guest blogging, and other marketing tactics. Use calls to action in your videos and video descriptions to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Let them know how subscribing will benefit them and how it will help you continue to create great content. Create engaging thumbnails that accurately represent your video and entice viewers to click. A great thumbnail can make all the difference in whether or not someone clicks on your video. Be consistent in posting high-quality content on a regular schedule to keep viewers coming back for more. By being consistent, you'll establish a loyal audience and build a reputation for delivering quality content.
Thank you for watching our video today on Shahid Bytes. We hope you found it informative and useful. Before we go, we want to ask if any of our viewers have any questions or comments they'd like to share. If so, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to respond to each one. Also, we'd like to encourage you to share this video with others who might find it helpful and to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. Thank you again for tuning into Shahid Bytes, and we look forward to hearing from you in the comments.